Okay, my mom called me yesterday complaining that she had all of these pop-up ads on her phone. This is my phone. I've already fixed it on hers. I'm not going to show you what was happening, but just believe me, it was just non-stop pop-up ads. So if that happens to you or someone that you love, you can fix it. It's just an app on your phone. It's not a virus. Don't worry about it. You're just going to have to be patient because you have to keep clicking through all of these pop-ups to get yourself where you need to be. If this is someone else's phone, the easiest thing for you to do, if you're on an Android, try to get yourself to the Google Play Store. A lot of these pop-up ads, they're going to take you there anyway. If you can get yourself to the Google Play Store, you're going to hit search, and the one that worked for me was one called App Watch. There it is right there, App Watch. And that's the one you want, the one with the blue Android. You're just going to install it. It should be free. On my mom's phone, I didn't even have to put a password in, and I installed it. Now, again, these pop-ups are going to be in your way, so that was easy for me because I didn't have 50 pop-ups coming. So just be patient. Just keep trying. Get yourself to this App Watch app, install it, and then you're going to open it. So once you get to App Watch, you want to start monitoring. And you're probably going to have to go here and toggle this on as well. Now, if you've got pop-ups going continuously, it's going to show up here. And on my mom's, it showed us an app called My Tasks, which she had not downloaded. So as soon as I saw the icon, I knew what to look for. I went back and looked at all of her apps, and it was just sitting right there called My Tasks. On Samsung phones, you can just hold down and you should get an uninstall button. Hit that uninstall, okay, and with hers, instantly all the pop-ups stopped. Now, if you're having this problem and it's your phone and you know the apps that you have, you don't have to download App Watch. Just go through your apps and you're going to see a new app on there that says like QR scanner or, malware security or something that you did not put on there. Just hold it, uninstall it, and that should stop the pop-ups. Again, you have to be patient. I know I'm not showing it here, but those pop-ups, it's every 2 seconds a pop-up's coming. So you're just going to have to keep being patient, keep getting yourself back to where you need to be. But if you put that App Watch app on, you can delete it afterwards. And thank you to App Watch. It was free. I didn't have to do anything. This is obviously not an ad for them. And I'm filming this on December 4th of 2025. Go on Reddit and see if there's a new app that does the same thing if it's not there when you need the solution for this. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you haven't used App Watch and you're just looking through your apps, the other way they're disguising these pop-up apps, they're disguising them as things you already might have, like a Gmail or I don't know. So just go and look and see if you have 2 calendars or if you have like 2 tips or, something like that. They're trying to disguise it that way. Now, if you download the App Watch, it'll show you what's currently running, and you'll know instantly, oh, that pop-up just happened, and oh, I'm also running a calendar app that I'm not currently running, and then you can go find it using the icon and uninstall it. Okay, hopefully that helps. I know that's super annoying, so good luck, everybody. Bye.